What's up, everybody? It's Sharon B. Listen, if you're unemployed right now, I know how stressful that feels. That's why in this video I'm breaking down real daily cash flow strategies you can use to bring in money today, every single day, until you're back on your feet. Let's jump right in. Local service hustles. First up, use what's around you. Even if you don't have a car, there are ways to earn cash in your own neighborhood. Offer yard work, house cleaning, moving help, or even running errands. Post in local Facebook groups, next door, or just text friends and family that you're available. Think outside the box. Deliver groceries for local stores, partner with small restaurants, or even advertise yourself as a personal courier for people who need same-day drop-offs. Sites like Rev or QuickTate pay you for transcription work, not glamorous, but you can start today and cash out quickly. Same for microtask platforms like ClickWorker or RapidWorkers. A lot of these pay to PayPal instantly or within 24 hours once you hit a small threshold. If you're good at something like tutoring, jump on platforms where people need help with homework, language lessons, or test prep. Some of these let you set your payout schedule, and if you offer sessions directly through PayPal or Cash App, you can literally get paid the same day you teach. Flipping and reselling. One of my favorites for unemployed folks is flipping. Start with free. Go on Craigslist free section, Facebook Marketplace free curb alerts, or even thrift stores with dollar racks. You can do this with clothes, small furniture, electronics, or even bulk items like snacks or water bottles. Same with candy, chips, or even homemade baked goods. It's fast, it's cash, and you don't need fancy startup money. Keeping cash flow consistent. Now here's the thing, making money one day is easy. The real challenge is keeping it flowing. So here's what you do, pick at least 2 strategies and rotate them. Example, one day you do a cleaning job, next day you flip something, then you do a couple online tasks in the evening. This way, you're never relying on just one thing. And when you do get that daily cash, don't spend it all. Set aside a portion to reinvest, maybe buying more items to flip, printing flyers for your services, or upgrading tools that make your work easier. That's how you turn little hustles into consistent income streams. So if you're unemployed, don't get discouraged. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more real hustles and daily income ideas, and drop a comment with which strategy you're gonna try first. Stay strong, keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next video.
You want to make some easy money? Let me tell y'all what I'm doing on this lovely Saturday right now. I am doing a little side hustle activity. I am driving around and I'm just taking pictures with my phone. Taking pictures of what, you may ask? I'm taking pictures of cars that most likely probably about to get repoed, but that's none of my business. My job is just to take a picture of the car if I find the car. If I don't see the car, then I'm supposed to just take a picture of my GPS showing that I showed up at the location, or a street sign, if whichever. I always just do the GPS, but just showing that I'm there. Whether I see the car or not, I get paid. So y'all know what? I never see the car.
Here's a side hustle that you can do at nighttime. You can definitely do this on top of your 9 to 5. Go to workinsolutions.com. Click where it says apply to work from home and create a profile. We'll get you to take an assessment, and then from there you can start creating your own hours and being your own boss. You can get set up to work from home in just 1 hour. Opportunity is available in Canada and the United States. Make sure to give me a follow because I post different ways to make money from home or from your phone every single day.
These 3 hustles pay without you posting, selling anything, talking to anybody, begging, or any of that. You don't need a following or a brand to get started with any one of these hustles. Number 1 is lost luggage courier. Our ports will literally pay you to pick up people's lost luggages and return them back to them. Number 2 is online group moderator. People will literally pay you to be hall monitors in their groups just to make sure that their groups are moving smoothly. This is no face, no case. Number 3, Amazon parcel return. You're literally getting paid to pick up people Amazon returns and drop them back off at the bins, the stores, wherever they're going. You don't need to start a business with this, no LLC, no branding, no following, no going viral. I have all of the steps that you need to be successful and get started. I give you the how-to. It's in my bio.